Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to delete Twitter account permanently. So let's get started. You cannot directly delete the account. First, it needs to be in the deactivated status for 30 days and then the account will be deleted automatically. First, I will show you the steps to delete the Twitter account using mobile. Open Twitter app on your mobile device. The process is almost the same for iOS and Android. Now tap on hamburger menu icon, which is horizontal 3 lines located at the top left corner. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, tap on very first option, which is Account. Now at the bottom, you will find the option as Deactivate your account. Just tap on it. For security reasons, you need to enter the password and again click on Deactivate button. On the next screen, you will get the confirmation box. Tap on Yes, Deactivate and your account will be deactivated. Once the account gets deactivated, your display name, username, public profile and all the data will be removed from Twitter. You can still restore your account within 30 days after deactivation. After your 30-day deactivation window, your Twitter account will be permanently deleted. If you don't log into your account during the 30-day window, then the Twitter will permanently delete your Twitter account. Once the account gets deleted, you won't be able to get it back. Now let's see how to delete Twitter account using PC. First, go to twitter.com and log in with your username and password. On the left panel, tap on More option. Now click on Settings and Privacy. Under Settings, click on Your account. On the right side, under Your account, click on Deactivate your account. Now click on Deactivate button. Here as well, for security reasons, you need to enter the password and again click on Deactivate button. Now as you can see, the account is deactivated. In case you change your mind and wish to reactivate your account, then you need to log into your Twitter account within 30 days. Once logged in, you will get a message for reactivate the account. Click on Yes, Reactivate and your account will be reactivated. So that was the tutorial on how to delete Twitter account permanently. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.